Chitariki emerongo ebere na isano na ebere umuchenyu gatano na gatatu umwaka wechirubere na emerongo ebere na inyo mwanchumurelia Undizi TV andonsi ase ototengerete ninde no kwegena nigo enderete gutwara umugaso omuya litukulelero na liyo murai bo muboli bwa Azimio Raila Odinga abeire gago sioli vene chi campaign cyo kwamerelia ekirogo kyobonya kerogo asorogongo rwa Afrika asebo ego chinkwana nebrengera rwende tokorwegwa anemono kubwatekana nga nechiburaburo cyabete chikwene kigwa ase omusangerekano bo mu Women Rep County ya Kisii ayona mange nimbingo kumanya ase enchira jobwenge nigeragire chinsa isano na ibere chabono mugaso iretana nenkoro kwa Job Maangi nokone kinga chibiche chiboigo na mariogi abera wekera asenchira yobo ikera nunere Abigail Nyanchama kwira nande asigeka getari ege tambe Abakonda utubwate utera senchira mtandao ito Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital nsemo area ya YouTube Ndizi TV News na bwetera mtandao ito www.ndizitv.net ikaranso ike minkumanya abuna berega wate koruase bwanga kete chinsa chamambi goikera abono mugaso amayeni gotukwa cha koruase county ya Kisii ase omo MCA we ward ya Bugusero Vincent Abuga abeire gagwe soki vene na kogikiria chiburaburu chabete chikwene kigwa ase ensemo area ya Nyakeyo egotoka imeye bunge ya South Mugirango litukoligoro chingaki chokwena no wechi wheelchair nebintu byo kubakonya abantu bare nobole manigo abeire gago saba omu Women Rep County ya Kisii Doris Donya Toto ogosikwa na boigo abasubati bare ase ekemina no keria gia siasa kwegwa libaga lyabene goikirania chira babete bakoliera abamenyi na boigo kora oborai bwabo buna ebwenerete
again tungeriya penalty yesterday South Mugirango getango geti I want to say intuna abarai bali tokora abagichikura negane irito ena na maskana ourselves again tungeriya penalty now that Mongina Donya Toto Yoromo Women Rep Kisii County in fact yagende South Mugirango konya abantu bali bamenyete with disability only realizing baada yo ikororo abantu mbagende to baga disruptive program yo mungina eyereta abantu ba disability wheelchair. It was very unfortunate injuno mwishimo Bugusero ekerenkuligirira abantu ba disability abantu bakwegera gotema gutama paka abantu batabugati amaguru tagete gosaba ngantu nabasaje bali twakire chikura kurwase county ya Kisii toteme gosikabangina because ngonye ndiriyo mongina atarengo I want to believe nganonye nayo musaje ganga tori go exist umukungu nero go imukyo oborito for 9 months omenya naye after 9 months o make sure ngoko bongiri for almost 2 years yogo igatotu aramaskania manena mo especially sabanga ngonye go gwate interest maybe nekero kyo bo women there is always the right time 2027 is coming igonta yetego sabanga abantu baitu wherever Mongina Donya arago kore function ya yo gokonya abantu ba disability wherever Mongina Donya arago konya abantu bali batari kwenya tutwara maskani naende toena ne chinga kichingororo chinga kijechi campaign ngoje chira tosabira namaya nande twanja ne twins n'abantu ba Kisii County erinde gotokonya bokonya gokiga you never know maybe a position inkoboro mambi you will also decide wa maskani una ya Mongina ganire right
logos kabosioni go abamenyi be county Nyamira anene mono abasae babeire bagosemigwa kuriya chisemi cyamangana alengete ekerero ebuna enchira eyemo yo gwetoria korwa amakongo yokoborwa kwemeremo ingo batekananga nigo asamatuko abwangoiga emeremo yabeire gegotoka ase chinchera chekerero aniga kwanwa chingaki cyo kuigorwa kwege gituo gyokurwa amaigerio gochia ase abamenyi be county ya Nyamira ensemo yorwaki ase abantu baikirana ase umusangerekano yunege karekyo baba gutwara obore mubuna okuigorwa gwensemo eyo ngochigokonya abantu abange anemono ase baba kurwa ogosaba ogosirwa nabo igokini wa kerengo gwensemo eyo elinde abantu abange bachigokonyeka n'ensemo eyo.
Kuna ICT hubs zitakuja kwa kila ward. Tunaomba tafadhali. Kuna jengo hapa ambalo lilijengwa wakati wa 2006 na liko tayari kureceive hizo vitu zote za ICT hubs. Tunataka utuletee kompyuta kwa sababu liko tayari kutumika. Na sisi kama vijana tumeamua tukuje tutumie hizo vitu zote. Tafadhali tunaomba usitumie pesa nyingi kwenda kujenga kitu kama hiki kwingine. Naomba ulete hizo vitu zote hapa tutumie sisi kama vijana.
Hii ni resource center ya watu wote wa community ya hapa. Na ina cover area mingi. Tuko na wards kama 3 ambazo zina border hiyo Ruaki. Kwa hivyo yeyote ambaye anaweza kupata nafasi ya kuja Ruaki anakaribishwa.
We want to empower our youths to take care of themselves properly so that they may help their life. So when you get them, they sit here to look even TVs and things which are going on, you get that their senses goes there instead of roaming about taking alcohol.
We will have computer center here. We'll have even the Wi-Fi going forward. So it's a center that is going to benefit not only the young people but everybody across. So we welcome everybody who has goodwill for this institution to come forward and lend us a hand so that it can be.
Omwaziri omonene omukoro bwensi ya Kenya Raila Odinga nigo abagagosioli bene campaign chukwamerelia ekirogo kyobunyakirogo bworogongo rwa Afrika omoyega obeire gokoleka busondrete ase nyumba elia yoborai ya Kenya egeikaro kira gekorawa nomurai bwense Dr. William Ruto naboigo kyabere gegoikeranwa nabarai bechinse chia Afrika buna olia Uganda Yoweri Museveni, Tanzania Suluhu, Samia Hassan, Nere Salva Kiir egatia baribande korwa ase orogongo rwa Afrika. Omorai obwe kiama keria kia Azimio Raila Odinga nigo abeire egakorwa eira yago chikwene kinga nkobwata niare aba Afrika nawe kwene kinga amagenderero ngochiare koba ase chinse chire ime ya Afrika.
Certainly, the story of Africa is not all gloom and doom. Thanks to the work Your Excellencies are doing, Africa has been on an upward and positive trajectory in recent years. In February, the African Development Bank reported that Africa will account for 11 of the world's 20 fastest growing economies this year. The continent is set to remain the second fastest growing region after Asia. I deeply appreciate your efforts in restoring hope on the continent, and it is my wish to have a chance to complement your efforts as AU chairperson. Excellencies, throughout my leadership and service to the public, I have noted the significance of defining strategic goals and appreciating the influence of political dynamics on the outcomes of these goals. So decision-making must be backed by a balance between policy and geopolitics. I plan to work with you, Your Excellencies, to integrate this continent. You are one people who unfortunately
Togoska busioni gomokonyi bumurai wenseri gathi gashagwa abeire gakurwa eira una serikali ni chikwene kinga chibesa nkobwato kwa chire gochia ase chi county ase chinga ki chibwendrate yemaega yokwe murungania wechi county ao kobwatikana nga nokunyorwa gwechibesa echio ase boigo abagakorwa okoboria gochia ase abagabana kobwatikana gosikubwaterana no moteneneri bwe budget ase ense yaicho ya Kenya line kwene kinga emeroberio yonsi nkobe kwere kobwatikana neri chiko linde kwene kinga chibese chungo chuwekerana chire ase chi county elinde gosira emeroberio yechi county ao imeyense yaito ya Kenya.
This in July. This was attributed to a shortfall in revenue collections and a limited fiscal space. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to revisit the pending bills. The National Treasury indicates that as of June 30, 2024, outstanding national government pending bills stands at 516.27 billion shillings, a decrease from 622.8 billion shillings as of June 30, 2023. Initial comparative reports for 26 counties show a significant reduction from 43.6 billion Kenya shillings to 33.9 billion Kenya shillings as of June 2024. We acknowledge this improvement and I urge county governments to collaborate closely with the Controller of Budgets to implement recommended measures to effectively address this issue through our budget.
Togoskabosyo chinga kiyomugiro bwaboro kia bekerengo kelia gechi secondary nse kiombe gia kupet ogendrete nigo mwaziri wechisemi Julius Migos abeire gakorwa okobolia ase aboro kia abokwirana ase emeremo ekero eserekali aberege kwerwa kwene kinga ngochiere goikirania amaganio abo elinde kwene kinga aboro kia anemono balichi wakora amatemo amanene yu mwaka oyo ase ekla ya ikomina kabere se form 4 mbali go chikonyora chinga ki chinko ngu chinga ki vendrete kwe aligania ase amatemwa ayo.
I therefore call upon the Union of Post-Primary Education Teachers, KUPPET, to review their stance and to call off their strike. The government has demonstrated goodwill and readiness to address all the issues raised by them. We therefore see no reason for confrontation with that particular union. Ladies and gentlemen, as I mentioned last week, the government disbursed 21.8 billion in capitation for primary, juniors and secondary schools. This money is now with the schools. We now expect that schools will resume operations smoothly and that learning will proceed without any disruptions. I wish to take this opportunity to call upon school managers to make prudent use of the resources that have been disbursed to them. These are public resources that have been entrusted to you for the benefit of the learners under your care.
Aborokia be kerengo ge skulu che secondary inse ye kiombekeria gia KUPPET echinsemo imense ityo Kenya nigo babeire bakwe murunganeria okogosereriwa na aborokia abanene ase chiskuru chinene kiombe gia KUPPET nigo kiaberege kogikeria aborokia abanene usabali mwanene wechiskuru achi secondary abandrete kogosereria aborokia bare asumugiro asukubatumira amarube notebanga ningana batali go wanchirana asibatebanga okobolia kwabo nkolinga eserekali ekeranie okugania kwabo talinga ningana bagakora ere mamincha ne richiko.
Mechoka kama walimu, tunaomba tume ya walimu iache madharau. CBA ilikuwa ni maelewano na maelewano lazima yatimizwe.
And one of them that we want to declare upon is the issue of CPGs, career progression guidelines. The government will scrap off what we used to call the scheme of service. That one was what we show some progression. Hii ni scam. Hii umetumaliza.
KUPPET peke yake ambaye itasema mgomo utaisha lini. Lakini mgomo utaendelea hadi pale ambapo our Secretary General Akielo Misori atakapowaita the National Governing Council na atadeclare this particular strike over.
The career progression guidelines is a document that was created purposely by the Teachers Service Commission to ensure our teachers stagnate in one particular job group.
The issue of confirmation has been sung in this nation for 1 year now. Yes. It must end now. Yes. Confirmation must happen in 2024 and it must be backdated to July. Yes. We are not going to wait for January 2025. Yes. We are not going to allow the issue of confirmation to be used as a New Year resolution in 2025. Yes. JSS teachers must be confirmed in 2024 in July, and we are not begging. This must happen now.
Mwanchumurelia Undizi TV orobotio ruo rurengete chisemino tuchukolera amangana amajia chinsa isano na ibere chiabono mugaso leterane nkoro kwa Job Maangi na bagakwene kinga chibichechi bagona mariogi abera wikira asenchira Jobo ikeranu nere Abigail Nyanchama wikira chinga gichinde na bagane irie obuliriya obya Imean DZ TV na bobwanso bomugusi.